We're clapping. Ay, it's okay. We're clapping. We're clapping, clapping, clapping. We're clapping. We're clapping. We're clapping. Now stop.
Nakatingin siya.
Yay! Christy.
Hello.
Hi, Kuya.
Hi, come back in here. Ayan.
Sing, we're
Kuya.
Ayan na. Yay! Ayan na.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
We're jumping. We're jumping, jumping, jumping. We're jumping. We're jumping. We're jumping. Now we stop. Ah? Ito nakakaramdam sa'yo. No, 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 no. Yay! Uy, pogi naman. Pogi naman ng bata. Pogi? Pogi? Pogi yan eh.
Ito.
Yes.
Baby.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Ilang taon ka, ma'am?
Kakawan lang po.
Ngayon, ma'am.
Nung 17 po.
Ay,
Sabi
belated
ng birthday ng 17 niya.
Kanina, yung...
Isa rin.
Oo.
Happy birthday, baby.
Meron din
Thank you
kanina
po.
nag-birthday talaga.
Ngayon din po ginagupitan.
Kami nag-birthday ngayon dito ng pera.
Oo.
Buti nga, tahimik eh. Yung iba po ba nagwawala pag ano?
Oo.
Nagwawala.
Kaya ang kadalasan palang ginagawa namin, laruin muna namin sila. Para hindi sila matakot sa amin.
Arms up. Arms up. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with... Ay, ano yun? Ano yun? Ha? Ano yun? Pogi na, pogi. Ay, wait! Oh, ay, yay! Very good. Yay!
Hello.
Hi, Kuya. Hi ka kay Kuya. Hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Ay, very good Bird, where are you? Ayan na yung bird. Oh, oh. Oh, no.
Now he came out. He was in the tree. Slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, very slowly up the wooden rail.
Ayan na.
Quickly, quickly, very quickly runs a little mouse. Quickly, quickly, very quickly into his little house. And now is fun. Let's do it again.
One.
Slowly, slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly
Peekaboo.
up the wooden rail. Quickly, quickly, very quickly runs a little mouse. Quickly, quickly, very quickly into his little house. That was fun. We were quick like a mouse. Can you be quick? Quick, quick, and slow like a snail.
So,
Quick,
Chan Chan.